Penutupan tempat pembuangan akhir atau TPA Piungan membuat kota Yogyakarta saat ini menghadapi persoalan serius dalam pengelolaan sampah. Yogyakarta kini sedang dihadapkan dengan ancaman darurat sampah. Hal ini sebagai imbas dari ditutupnya tempat pembuangan akhir Piungan yang mengakibatkan tumpukan sampah di mana-mana, bahkan sudah mulai masuk ke lokasi strategis pariwisata.
Waste issue in Yogyakarta city current situation. The city of Yogyakarta faces major challenge in waste management due to the increasing volume of waste caused by population growth and tourism activities. The main problems are: first, landfill overcapacity. Piungan landfill is often temporarily closed due to its inability to accommodate waste. Second, lack of public awareness. Many residents have not implemented a waste segregation system from the source. Third, plastic and non-organic waste. This type of waste is difficult to decompose and has a significant environmental impact. Fourth, lack of infrastructure. Waste management facilities such as integrated waste processing centers are still limited. Efforts made to be waste-free are. The government and community have started to encourage the 3Rs initiative: reduce, reuse, and recycle, environmental education and single-use anti-plastic campaigns, waste bank programs, and utilization of organic waste for compost. Next, relate to one of the ecocriticism theories that is relevant to the topic of waste will be explained by my friend.
First, I want to explain about ecocriticism. Based on Gloverly and Fromm, ecocriticism is a critical approach to literature and culture that focus on the relationships between human beings and the natural world. It emerged in the 1990s as a response to growing concerns about environmental degradation and the impact of human activity on the planet. What is ecocentrism? According to ScienceDirect.com, ecocentrism is the ethical belief that assigns inherent value to both individual living beings and entire ecosystems, considering them as ends in themselves rather than as means to human ends. In the context of waste issues in Jogja, this theory can be applied to understand the impact of ineffective waste management and how this affects the environment as a whole. First, the intrinsic value of the environment. The waste problem in Jogja, which has become a major environmental issue, shows that waste does not only affect humans, but also ecosystem and other living things. The accumulation of waste can pollute soil and water, which in turn affects the surrounding flora and fauna. By adopting an ecocentric perspective, we can see that each element in the ecosystem, including waste, has its own value and role in maintaining environmental balance. Second, the relationship between humans and nature. Ecocentrism emphasizes that humans are part of a larger ecosystem. When people neglect proper waste management, they are not only harming themselves, but also destroying the habitats and lives of other creatures. For example, the closure of the Piungan landfill that led to an uncontrollable waste situation shows how human actions can have far-reaching impacts on the environment. Third, ethical responsibility. The theory of ecocentrism encourages moral responsibility towards the environment. In the context of Jogja, communities and governments need to take more responsible actions in waste management. This includes education on waste segregation and reduction of plastic use, which are important steps to maintain ecosystem health. Fourth, sustainability. Ecocentrism also invites us to think about sustainability. Sustainable waste management in Jogja, such as recycling and waste rejection, is not only beneficial for humans but also for maintaining the overall health by the ecosystem. By adopting this approach, we can create a healthier and more balanced environment. So, applying the principle of ecocentrism in analyzing the waste problem in Jogja can raise our awareness of the importance of maintaining the balance between humans and the environment and encourage more responsible action in dealing with this issue.